Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Energy, that's me, the Jeb from DNT. Welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys have been asking about the pots that I use in my videos and where you guys can get them from. So I'm just going to do a quick video today to show you all the pots that I use. Now a lot of them have some wear and tear on them because most of them, because like some of them I've had since I was married, so that's like a couple of years now, so you can see like, you know, the wear and tear inside of it and around it and all of that, but they've been working perfectly fine. I am thinking about getting like some new sets. I didn't decide yet, like, you know, what I'm going to get, but I thought I'll just do a video for you all to show you, you know, some of the pots that I've been using and try to track back, and I'll give you guys some suggestions on where you can get them from. Before we jump into the video though, you know, I need to do some notification shout outs, so don't forget hashtag shout out in my comments, the comment section down below for the videos, and when I do get a chance to do a proper video with me in it, I'll give you guys a shout out, so be sure to keep using the hashtag shout out. So I'm going to be giving some shout outs to Salisha Bax Razak. Thanks so much for watching my video, Salisha. Next shout out is going to go to Reshmi R. Thanks so much for watching the video. Next shout out is going to go to Krista Mohammed, specifically to her son Nathan and her daughter, whose name is also Jenna. She's got an awesome name, to shout out to you guys. Thanks so much for watching my videos. So now let's get into the video. I have a couple of the frying pans that I use. So like this I would use normally when I have to like chunky dal, or like if I'm making like aloo chukka or baigan chukka or something to heat the oil in. I would use this small little pan. And I have these two other larger sized ones. So this is a nice huge one. I can't remember where I got these from, right, but I believe you will be able to get them in excellent stores or Fair and Square in Chaguanas. I am in Trinity if you're in Trinidad. If you're not in Trinidad, I can give you guys some links on Amazon. And this is the cast iron pot. I know a lot of you ask where I got this from, and I believe it would have been IAM, but I'm sure if you don't get this exact same one, you can get it again. IAM, Fair and Square, excellent stores if you're in Trinidad. Amazon link, I'll put it down below for you guys who are not in Trinidad. Now this pot, you all asked, a lot of you keep asking about these white pot sets. Now this, mommy actually gave them to me, so I don't know where she got them from, but I absolutely love them. The only thing though is that they're very heavy. These cast iron pots are kind of, to be honest with you, hard to work with. But you know, they're pretty nice. This one, I don't even know where the cover is for this. This I got as a gift, and it came with this one as well, and this is like my go-to one. You can see inside of it has a lot of work. You can tell a lot of cooking was done in this, but it came as a set, and I got it like 7 years ago and still doing the job. So my go-tos. These, every Caribbean house, they need to have like these pots. This is where you make like your curry. You can get these like anywhere. On the side of the road, on Essex Main Road, you can get them. A couple places actually have them. This one, I think I usually boil a lot of stuff in this one. Like if I have to make pasta, or like I think I did the cassava. Some of you guys were asking where. Again, you can check out Fair and Square or excellent stores or somewhere, Price Mart, or somewhere in Trinidad. I'll give you guys the Amazon links to similar products. And of course I have a pressure cooker. Now this is one scary pot to use, I'll be honest with you all, but I love it. Today I'm going to be making some red beans, and this is what I'm going to be using because it saves on a lot of time. So that's just basically my pots that I use in my videos, and give you guys some suggestions of where you can get them, and I'll give you guys the Amazon links as well if you guys are not in Trinidad, on, you know, where you can find it on Amazon to check it out if you want. So like I said, that was a little short video on some of the pots that I use in my videos, and I'm looking to add a new set, so you can suggest some sets that you all think look nice, or whatever the case is. I'm thinking about one of those nice Rachel Ray sets or something. Not sure yet, but I do need to do some major pot changing, like updating my pots. So I'll see how it goes. I'll see, and when I do decide what pot sets I am going to be using, I'll give you guys do a video on that as well for you all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, got an insight on some of the stuff that I use. I have other videos that a lot of you have been asking about the organization. So I have my spice drawer that I need to show you guys, and some storage stuff that I use for the rice and peas and beans and dal, split peas and all of that. So I'll do that in another video. So this video is just about the cooking pots for you guys to see. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button as well, so you don't miss out. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about the pot set, what I should buy, what I shouldn't buy, any questions you have, any comments. Let me know below and I will reply to them as soon as I get a chance. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys, and stay tuned to the next video.